I know it's getting dark, but I'm trying to get a video of my shepherd puppies. The two males are in the back, and that one's a female. And then I've got a female is pottying on the other side. I'll wait for her to finish. Hi, beautiful. Hi. And that's a boy. That's a boy. That's a boy. That's a girl. That's a girl. And this is a boy. Yes. Say hello, everybody. And here's the other girl right here coming up. Right there. Hi, baby girl. Hi. Okay. It's hard to get videos of puppies because they like to be right up on you if they're social, and these kids are. Yes. At least they're not grabbing my pant leg, though. So that's a girl with Jazzy right there. Oh, that's another girl. Get right, poop. And there she is playing with my personal dog, Bigby. It's a good girl. Yeah. It's a good girl. Biggie. Biggie, behave. Good girl. This is the other little girl. Hi, other little girl. Don't think she's done pottying yet. Oh, now Jazzy's pottying. My goodness. Potty central around here. Here, Heath. This is one of the big boys. One of the big boys. They are big boys. Yes, you are. Where's your bubby? Where's your bubby? It's probably in there eating. Yes. Yes. Ouch. Ouch. There's the little girls. This one's got a little blaze on the top of her head right there. Right there. Hey! Stop picking on my deer. Stop picking on my little deer. Stop picking on my little deer, baby. There's the other big boy. Oh boy, Jazz. They're ganging up on you. What you gonna do now? Now that's a Dachshund mix with maybe a Schnauzer, that's why the puppies seem so big. It's just because it's a little dog that they're up against. And there's Patrick. There's Patrick. He's my last lab puppy mix. Hi, Pumpkin. I know. Here I am. Hi, Pumpkin. These are the two girls right here that are on me right now. And Jazzy getting left out. And there's the, sitting pretty. What a good girl, sitting pretty. And there's Donner. One of my little deer puppies. You can see the difference in size right there. That's a good difference in size picture right there. Alright guys, I think that's enough of that.